see something over there. Let me go over there. I was about to head in. Let me go over this way real quick. No, you always go on your radar. See a lot of people coming out here. Let's see what's going on over. I'm gonna go check out the nightlife situation out here in Antigua, Guatemala tonight. It's a Friday night, so it should be hype. So come with me as I, go around and record. So I'm trying to go in this first spot right over here real quick. there's nothing super spectacular here so far. But we're gonna go around, check out another spot. Let me go over there. I was about to head in. Let me go over this way real quick. Let me go over this way real quick. You know you always go on your radar. See a lot of people coming out here. Let's see what's going on over here. They have a nightlife, but it's not a wild, crazy nightlife, if that makes any sense. One place over here, I'll go back in there. I was here earlier. They even got the cops over this way. Well, that's it for the night.
Where am I living?
I'm back, yeah.
There is one.
It's his phone, yeah. Something happened to the music. The music's out. Something's going on with the music. I don't know what's going on with the music. They don't have no music up in here. So I'm seeing it's like another, like a hippie type vibe here too as well, from what I could see, man. A lot of hippies here, a lot of couples. Hey, that's it for me, man. I'm going back. Okay, guys, for a side note, Antigua, Guatemala is a beautiful place. It's definitely a good place to come visit. You know, because they have a lot of nature things you can do out there, like hiking, checking out the volcanoes. If you're into checking out museums and different things like that, they have good places to eat as well. But as far as nightlife, I must say this. As far as nightlife is definitely, from what I can see in the places I've traveled to, it's definitely not one of them club, what you call it, clubbing night spot areas. It's more like for lovers, boyfriend and girlfriend to come out, husband and wife. It's a good place to bring your family. You can come with your kids and everything like that. But if you into that party life, that's definitely not a party life place. But it's very relaxing. It's very laid back. I don't want nobody to think I was trying to, throw shade on Guatemala or Antigua, Guatemala, or the country of Guatemala. There's good people there, good food, but as far as Antigua, Guatemala, it's definitely not one of them big party towns. So I'm just letting you guys know that, because I know you guys see me in the Dominican Republic, and Mexico and places like that, that they really party hard. So I'm just trying to, keep it 100 with you guys and be truthful as possible. You guys have a blessed night, morning, afternoon, no matter where you at in the world. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Please share my videos. Please give my videos a like. And please support the Philly Down movement. Right now we're going through some struggles. The channel's not moving like it should. But I'm going to keep pushing. I'm going to keep grinding. And I'm going to keep doing my thing. Nothing going to stop me. Nothing going to slow me down. Talk to you guys in the next video. Also, I'd like to give a shout out to my son D3. Had an accident. And, I'm praying for you that he recovers quick from his accident, as well as my boy Alpha Mel had an accident as well, and I'm praying that he recovers quick from his accident as well. So talk to you guys in the next video. Shout out to my boy Alaska Pat, shout out to D, shout out to Jock Wilkins. Peace, love, and happiness to you all. Talk to you later.